Hey guys, thank you so much for checking out our video today. What we have a little problem today is we have a lot of books that Elizabeth loves to read, and we are running out of space on our bookshelf. So we're kind of brainstorming, and I have this shelf, which you see behind her, that we're going to use for her books. But we came across some problems. So right now, I'm going to let Elizabeth go ahead and show you the problem and the solution, and hopefully it help you out if you have the same situation. And if you guys find this video after viewing it helpful, please give it a like and also subscribe. We're going to have some more videos like this coming up very soon. Okay, Elizabeth, go ahead and show our viewers the problem and the solution.
So, we have the shelf here, and you see there's a humongous hole right here. And then when I try to put a book here, it just falls out. And we tried these right here, and we put it here. See? And as you see, it works, but see, it bends easily, and it's very cheap, even though it's metal. So, we were like brainstorming ideas to try to not make the box do this. Like that. Bang. So, here's what we thought of. Right here. And you see, put the book in. It doesn't fall out. So, we're going to show you how we do it.
And we did it on both sides. So you have it on this side. We haven't done it on the other side, so you can see how we do it. And if you guys haven't figured that out yet, what those are actually zip ties. We used two of them because that's all we had available at this time. But if you have zip tie, a lot of people have zip ties available. So we use two of them. If you have smaller ones, you could add more, or if you have a large one, just one, of course, whatever fits your needs on the shelf that you're trying to make work. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and show you how we put the zip ties on there to make this work. And Elizabeth, go ahead and show them how tight how tight it is, so it's really sturdy. Just go ahead and touch it, and there you go. See? Yeah, see?
It's sturdy.
So it's real sturdy. So hold on for a moment and we will get together to show you how we did it. Go.
Here's how you put the zip ties together and how you put them on your shelf. See, you put it through here, but not all the way. Just only right at the end before the bumps start. And then you do what you did on the first one. And you put it like that.
Oh, now what you want to do first is on this one, you want to zip it a little bit. So you want to lock it in there, but not too far in there because you want to adjust it to the size of your shelf.
A little bit.
That's a little bit more. Perfect. Okay, now go ahead and wrap that around the back part of the shelf so they can see how to do that.
See, put it on here like that. So then you don't have to worry about this all just falling. Then you put it back in there. That. And then when you have it all around the little legs of your shelf, then you tighten it. That. It's kind of hard doing it with the wall.
Yeah. So go ahead and just tighten a little bit. Do the back one first.
The back.
Yeah. There you go. That's good enough. Now do the front to make it snug. There you go. And keep on going until it's really tight. And then we'll show you. See? Just make it real tight as you can make it because you don't want it to flex at all. There you go. That looks pretty good. Okay. Now, then all you have to do.
I think I need to do it a bit tighter.
Yeah.
Super strength.
There you go. Okay, so that's perfect. Now, at this point, then what do? You just adjust it to whatever size or height you need. Like if you have the large books, you probably want to put it higher, and smaller books put lower. And Elizabeth will show you how you could adjust that bottom I guess piece or just I don't know what you would want to call it, but we just say that bottom, the zip tie that supports your books or whatever you want to hold up. Go ahead and show them. You can slide up and down a little bit while it's still somewhat loose. Yeah, there you go.
There's little box right here,
Yeah.
which it says, no, you're not doing that.
Okay. There you go. All right.
So it won't just, like if it's hard, then it'll just fall out.
Yeah.
And then you can, if you have large books,
Okay.
you
That's
can
good.
put it up higher.
Now, of course, that doesn't look too pretty that way.
Yeah, because look at that.
So what you want to do is go ahead and get some scissors or some cutters or a knife, whatever you want. You could cut it like that, so it looks really nice and clean. And get close enough to this part, so just in case there's children around, you don't want to go ahead and have this part cut them or snag any of your clothing or anything like that.
But not too much, that it'll just all undo.
Okay, exactly. All right, so that's our video for today, guys. Just to give you a little hack on how to use these type of shelves and make it a little bit more useful for things that you have around your home, like in our case, books. So let's go ahead and close this video. And Elizabeth, you want to close the video? All right, well, Elizabeth would like to go ahead and say, if you find this video very helpful, and you might choose to do this idea, please give this video a like and share it and subscribe. We're gonna have some more videos like this coming up very soon. Okay, guys, thank you again for going to our channel and watching our video, and we hope you all have a blessed day. Bye for now.